In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce to an Excel sheet, providing you with a full-fledged 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to polish up your data handling skills, this tutorial will help you efficiently export the data you need directly into handy Excel spreadsheets. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you've successfully entered your credentials and logged in, you're ready to navigate to the Setup area, which can be easily accessed via the gear icon located at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click, and this will open the Advanced Setup where all the magic happens. With Advanced Setup open, we're going to make use of the Quick Find search bar. This nifty tool allows you to easily locate the option you'll need. In this case, type in Data Export. As you type, Salesforce will automatically refine the search results, helping you quickly spot and select data export from the list. Now, you're facing a choice, to schedule an export or to perform one immediately. If you want the data exported straight away, just click Export Now. Alternatively, if you're looking to set this up on a more regular basis, Schedule Export can be a useful option, allowing you to automate the process according to your own timetable. Next, it's time to decide what data you want to export. You'll see a list of objects such as accounts, contacts, leads, and more. Select any and all the objects that fit your needs. Remember to carefully review the chosen data to ensure you have everything that's necessary for your analysis or project. Once you've selected the desired objects, click Start Export. Salesforce will take it from here, preparing a .zip file containing .csv files of your chosen data. These files are formatted to be easily opened in Excel, making your life a whole lot simpler. This exporting process might take some time depending on the volume of data, but rest assured, you won't need to keep checking back. The system is designed to queue your request and notify you via email once the data export is complete. This notification is your green light, letting you know that your .zip file is ready for download. After you receive the email, simply click on the provided link to download the .zip file. Once downloaded, extract the files onto your computer, and you'll find the .csv files ready to be opened in Excel. From there, you can work with the data in whatever way suits your objectives, be it analysis, reporting, or anything in between. And that's it. You've successfully exported data from Salesforce into an Excel sheet. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Salesforce tutorials. See you next time.